Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore the missing ribbon in AutoCAD using the easy method. This is a great way to bring back your main top button board on your setup session so you can easily grab your drawing lines and shapes again. Step 1. Type the ribbon command into your workspace. The first step is to use your keyboard to type a direct command that tells the software to turn your top toolboard back on. Look at your blank drawing screen, type the word ribbon using your keyboard keys, and press the Enter key. Watch the top section of your software window carefully to see if your large row of buttons drops down from the roof of the screen. Because sometimes hitting the wrong button on your keyboard can accidentally hide your entire tool menu out of sight. You have to type this direct request so you can force the software to wake up the main panel. Without this step, you would be left staring at a completely empty canvas with no buttons to click. Step 2. Toggle the Panel Display View Mode button. Next, if your top row appears but looks tiny or hidden inside small tabs, you need to click the small shape toggle button to cycle through the full visual looks. Move your mouse pointer up to the very top right edge of your toolbar row, find the tiny square button with a small arrow pointing up, and click on it. Keep clicking that same tiny button over and over again until the panel expands completely to reveal all your large tool icons. Because your top panel has 4 different display views to help save screen space while people work. By cycling through these hidden modes, you can escape the minimized view that is hiding your words and labels. It ensures your buttons look normal instead of being compressed into tiny gray lines. Now, you need to press a special 2-button combination on your keyboard to make sure the software is not stuck in an outside full screen look that blocks your bars. Hold down the Control button on the bottom left of your keyboard and tap the number 0 key at the same time. Look at your screen to see if your side menus and top layouts instantly pop back into their standard grid spots. Because your drawing app has a special full canvas view mode that clears out every single menu so you can just look at your lines. If you hit this by accident, your tools will vanish until you run the exact same key press to cancel it. Running this combination drops that block screen and pulls your workspace layout back to safety. It is the key step to getting the right output because it forces everything back to normal. And that's it. To restore the missing ribbon in AutoCAD, you must first type ribbon and hit Enter to activate the main panel. Then you click the tiny arrow toggle button at the top right to expand your collapsed menus. Next, you press Ctrl and 0 together to turn off clean screen mode so your side views return. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.